Hello, teacher and classmates. This is development of activity technical datasheet. My name is Julián David Forero. I'm student logistics management in the Manuela Beltrán University. This is materia technical English. What do I have to do? Make an oral presentation where you describe the distribution of a technical datasheet. You need to use the prepositions of place to describe every single space in the TDS. Be sure of including at least 5 sentences. In the attached documents, you have some examples that you should use for this purpose. The vocabulary of our fourth submission can be helpful for this. In this case, description a technical datasheet of ecological pottery is a product of organization actually working. The information of manufacturer is next to of logo. The features are under the information of manufacturer. The picture of putty is behind the technical advantages and features. The technical features are between the features and technical advantages. The dimensions are under consumption information. This is a description of product. Is a technical datasheet of the toilet of 1.5 liters per discharge. In this case of product, after a technical datasheet of the ecological purity and the technical datasheet description. In this case, a technical datasheet description of a product. This modern and ecological sanitary doesn't have the download button over like all the others. The water inlet is behind the toilet. The drain is under the toilet. In this case, the water inlet is behind the toilet. Is here. Water inlet. The drain is under the toilet. Is here. The plastic cover that is over the toilet is slow fall technology. This is. The download button on foot. This is a download button. In this case, the woman and men must locate it in front of toilet and press the button with the foot. Here. With this end of a presentation, thanks for everything.